What's happening, people? Back with another reaction, back with some more Morten Harket. And we're going back for the penultimate tune on his 2008 album Letter from Egypt. And it's Should the Rain Fall, yet another track from someone in Aha related to weather and perhaps tying weather to atmosphere and emotional mood. But yeah, it sounds like a hypothetical and more specifically a conditional, essentially an if-then, although framed a little differently, but if rain should fall, then such and such, whether that's, what behavior one will adopt or perhaps what consequences will ensue, even if they're not related to your own actions. So yeah, should the rain fall, I wonder, what that will portend and what significance in human lives it will relate to. So let's find out. This is Morten Harket, Should the Rain Fall, from the, 19, from the 2008 album, Letter from Egypt. A bit folksy, but also there's tension, there's a bit of suspense.
Should the rain fall after this, it'll leave no color on the things I miss. The clouds are empty now inside of me, running away. Somehow I am free. Another mountain there to climb, but I won't look back just to see where I turn blind.
Deep bass.
Goodbye love, you almost broke my wings. This is my goodbye to that little thing. Well, it takes no cover by the winter snow, takes no light where the sunshine flows, takes no damage by the stones I throw, takes no distance out of this lonely road, has no taste of the wine that's flowed, takes the color of green where the spring explodes, takes no red where the leaves fill the road, and it has no face, got no face that I know. Should the rain fall after this,
The shifting instruments.
it'll leave no color on the things I miss. Goodbye love, you almost broke my wings. This is my goodbye to that little thing. Well, it takes no color by the winter snow, takes no light where the sunshine flows, takes no damage by the stones I throw, takes no distance out of this lonely road, has no taste of the wine that's flowed, takes the color of green when spring explodes, takes no red where the leaves fill the road, and it has no face. Well, it has no face, got no face that I know. Should the rain fall after this, should the rain fall after this, after this, the rain fall. Should the rain fall? Should the rain fall?
folk symphony from Morten Harket. Incredible. Just like the stitching together of the different instruments and the different sections. It was a really cool progression, and again, there were elements instrumental coming in and then leaving as like a new instrument would come in and take over. Again, it was very folksy, but it also had electronic sounds. It had Morten's like passionate vocals, but also like different than Aha again. Although once more, I mean, like I guess it's just because it's the late 2000s or the late aughties. But there's a couple lines in there where again I'm thinking about the state of the band, and I know, like, not having seen the film, I still don't have the real behind the scenes details in that regard. But yeah, there's a couple lines there where it's like, man, I know this is just me like over extrapolating, but I'm wondering, in the moment, is that related? But again, that my brain's obsession with that aside, I really did enjoy the vocal delivery and the unfolding of the song, chronologically. So, really cool one. And once more, I enjoy the folksier side of his sound that we get in his solo material. There's some of that flavor in Aha too, but certainly something that he seems to pursue more heavily in his solo material. So, once again, cool tune. Looking forward to the final one. And then, there's 2 more albums in this which are from before this. So, I guess we'll be walking backward in one respect, though there's still an album forward that we did listen to 1 track from. So, plenty to go through. I guess when we get to the end of the next track, we'll decide. I'll basically just say, what do you guys think? And we'll go from there. Either way, looking forward to the next Morten tune, which will put this album to bed. In between now and then, do let me know what you think. I will see you then. Peace.